Hello everyone, welcome to the gaming light, and today I will show you how to fix if your screen recording is not doing properly. And it happens to me, and I search how to fix the problem or how to start again recording. For me, generally I do the recording, and after I finish it didn't show the notification of your recording is done or it is saved on the photos like that. So I'll show you how to do, and I try this and it really helps. So first you need to go to the general, then go to the reset, and you just need to do reset all the settings and all, and I did already. So you just do this step, reset all the settings, and you check your recording gonna be fix it properly. And if it didn't help, please tell me on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.